Hey guys, it's your girl Faith93 and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay, so guys, it is like, what time is it? It's 1:50 in the morning. It's Saturday night, well, about to be Sunday, and I'm wide awake. I threw these lashes on for y'all so that I won't look like completely sloth. And we're about to try to clean out my closet. As y'all can see, my closet is looking a mess. I have so many clothes that I need to go through. So yeah, I have like a lot of bins that have like t-shirts and everything in here. I also have like a lot of clothes in my dressers and stuff too. So I'm going to be going through all of that. I have some drawers and stuff underneath my bed. And we're about to just go through all of my clothes and purge my closet and get rid of some things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to try to like speed up the process and stuff. But first, we have got to get all these clothes and stuff like just out on my bed or something, or on the floor, so I can see everything. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so voila. I have all these clothes on my bed. I'm about to make my piles of things that I do not wear. Let's do this. Okay, you guys, so I am recording from my phone right now. So I'm about to show y'all my piles that I have so far. So yeah, let's turn this camera around. So this is the pile that I'm keeping. I know y'all probably like, that is a huge pile, Faith. Like, oh my gosh. But y'all, it's really not. But so this is the pile that I am going to try to sell. And then this is the pile that I'm going to give away. So yeah, like I'm still not done. Now I'm about to like hang up everything that I'm gonna keep, and we're gonna bag the things separately that I'm going to try to sell, and the ones that I'm gonna give to Goodwill. And then we'll move on to like my t-shirts and stuff, because we still got dressers and drawers and everything to go through. So yeah. Okay, so you guys, I am done finally putting back up everything. So this is what my closet is looking like now. And I know I said that like that big old pile that I was keeping it looked like a lot of stuff, but y'all, I have so many hangers left over. Let me show y'all. Y'all see all these hangers? That's what I have left. And now this is what my closet is looking like. So I have so much space. I got rid of so many clothes. Like, y'all see all these gaps? There's so much space. Alright, you guys, so as you can clearly see, I have been cleaning out my closet and stuff. And so now I want to talk to you guys about how you can make money from like going through the stuff in your closet. Okay, so what I go to is, I have two apps on my phone. I have Poshmark and I just recently got Mercari. So on my Poshmark, I have a closet full of things that I've been listing. So I have like several shirts, dresses, skirts and stuff on here for sale, and you can list them at whatever price you want to list them at, and people will like buy it. And Poshmark creates a shipping label for you. They do take a percentage of your earnings. I think it's like 10%. And then, yeah, they'll deposit, once the buyer has received your stuff, they will deposit the money into your account. And you can either request it for like a check, or you can request for direct deposit. So yeah, this is my Poshmark. So if you guys want to follow me on Poshmark, I am going to show y'all a few of the clothing items that I still have available for you all to buy. So I have quite a few dresses. So this is like that beige dress that's on there, and y'all, like, this still has the tag on it, I believe. Yeah, one of the little tags. Like, I've never worn this before. It's a size large, and it's too short on me. I'm too tall, and like if I was to bend over in this dress, all of my goods would be showing. But this dress is so cute, and I wish I wasn't too tall for it. Here's another dress. It's the yellow one, and it's showing up really yellow on here, but it's more of like a gold, and then it has like the back out. So yeah, super cute. It's a size large as well. I can't really get this zipped up all the way because I wear a size extra large now. I have this cute fuchsia dress, and if you've watched some of my like clothing hauls, I have a few of these items in some of my clothing hauls. And then yeah, this is this gray dress. That's the back, this is the front, and this dress is short as well. It's too short. Like, I can still fit it, but it's just too short, and I think this is a size large in this dress. And the material on this is like super thick. It's very well made. Yeah, this is a large. This dress is very well made. I really like it, but it's just so short on me. Guys, it's short. Those are a few of the items that are still on my Poshmark. So yeah, y'all go through my Poshmark and buy some things. I got some cute stuff on here, things that have never been worn. Still got tags on them, sis. Like, come get them, and they're like super cheap. Like, none of the clothing on my Poshmark is over $10 right now. So, and if you like have a bundle of clothes, you get like discounted shipping and all of that. So yeah, y'all check out my Poshmark and stuff. But definitely, if you're trying to like sell some of your clothes, I know I also took some of my clothes to Plato's Closet, or like to any type of consignment store. You know, they'll give you money. But the stuff that they did not take, I am putting it on Poshmark because I know that it can still sell. I know that somebody would still want it because it's still a good quality. And then on my Mercari, I had some old Barbie dolls in storage, like the holiday Barbies, and my mom was like, come get these, come get them now. So I went and got them, and so I've been trying to sell them online. So I've been selling them on Mercari. So far I've sold 3 Barbie dolls. I don't have as many followers on Mercari because I just joined, but this is what it looks like on Mercari. And literally you can sell like anything on Mercari. You can sell just about anything on Poshmark as well, but I think like for Mercari I'm going to be selling like things like, I don't know, like toys or old toys that I have, or like electronics that I don't want, things like that. My Poshmark, I really want to just try to keep it like clothes and stuff, and maybe like skincare, makeup if possible. The one thing about Mercari charges a lot for their shipping and stuff. I don't know why, but with Poshmark, it's like with Poshmark, the buyer has to pay the shipping, but with Mercari, you can choose to pay for the shipping yourself, which would give the buyer free shipping, or you can choose for the buyer to use the shipping. A lot of times things are going to sell when it says free shipping, so that's still taking money out of your things. I guess that's why it costs so much. So that is how I've been making money on Poshmark, and y'all, I've made up to almost $100 so far during this COVID times. I've been putting some of my mom's stuff on there too. So I just wanted to come on here and show you all how you can make money after cleaning out your closet. I hope you all were inspired by this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.